Welcome to my channel Electronic Science Tutorial. Recently I started a new lecture series on data interpretation and we will trying to solve the previous year NET and SET question paper. In last class we solved December 2012 UGC NET data interpretation first question. Today I will solve the December 2012 UGC NET second question of data interpretation. So without any time waste, let's start our class. The December 2012 UGC NET data interpretation part based on this table graph you already know. Okay, so what is the question? The question is, in which year the expenditures on the social services have increased at the highest rate? Option A 2007 to 2008, option B 2008 to 2009, option C 2009 to 2010, option D 2010 to 11. So how we calculate this question? In which year the expenditures on the social services have increased at the highest rate? First of all, option A we have not considered because 2007 and 8 this value is not compared by with any other previous value, right? So first of all, option A is, by this reason we can cancel this option, right? Option B is 12.94 and its previous year rate is 11.06. So we can compare these two number. So when we compare the increasing value, then we have to must be there present the previous year value. Option A, because of this reason, option A has been cancelled out. Okay, so option B is in 2008 to 2009 the value is 12.94 and in the previous year the value is 11.06. So how we calculate the increasing value of the social services? 12.94 minus 11.06, we know that is the final value minus initial value divided by initial value 11.06 into 100. So we get the percentage of this year. Next, in 2000, when we consider 2009 and 2010, then the value is 13.06 and its previous value is 12.94. So when we compared these two number, how we calculate? 13.06 minus 12.94 divided by 12.94 into 100. We get the percentage value. Fourth option, 2010 to 11, the value is 14.02 and the previous year value is 13.06. So how we calculate the increment value in percentage? That is 14.02 minus 13.06 divided by 13.06 into 100. So we get the percentage increment. So in this way we can calculate B, C and D option. Option A has been cancelled out because this value has not been compared any other previous year. Okay, so in this way we can calculate this question. How we calculate this question? See you in the next slide. So in this way we can calculate this value. First of all, in 2008 to 9, the value is 12.94 minus 11.06 divided by 11.06 into 100. That is 1.88 divided by 11.06 into 100. That is equal to 16.99. Next is 2009 to 10. The value is 13.06 minus 12.94 divided by 12.94 into 100. That is equal to 0.12 divided by 12.94 into 100, that is equal to 0.92%. And the last option is 2010 to 11. The value is 14.02 minus 13.06 divided by 13.06 into 100, that is equal to 0.96 divided by 13.06 into 100, that is equal to 7.35. So which value is the maximum or the highest rate of percentage? That is in 2008 to 9. The value is 16.99%. So option B is the correct answer. Okay. Thank you. If you like, do like, share and subscribe my channel.